I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Java project and a package in Eclipse. Once done, add a class with a main method. You need the Document Builder factory and Document Builder to create a DOM document, so import JAVX, XML, parsers and org, W3C, DOM. Make sure your output file path is writable and that the project uses a JRE that supports the XML APIs. This gets you straight into code rather than configuration, and it prevents permission or API version surprises later. Now build the XML structure. Get a document from Document Builder, create a root element with create element, and append it to the document. For each data item, create element, set text content and optional attributes, then append to the appropriate parent. This produces a clear hierarchical structure. If you need namespaces or CData sections, use create element NS or create CData section. Take care to maintain element order for predictable output. Once the DOM is complete, you're ready to serialize it to a file using a transformer. Finally, transform the DOM to a file. Create a transformer from Transformer Factory, set output properties like indent and encoding, and call transform with a DOM source and stream result pointing to your XML path. After writing, refresh the Eclipse project and open the file in the XML editor to verify structure and encoding. If something goes wrong, check for null pointer exception on elements or file not found due to path. The most common fix is ensuring parent directories exist, and that element creation order matches append calls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.